Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will explain to you how to renew the trial period for Internet Download Manager. It is known that the program works for a 1-month trial period. To solve the problem of the program's trial period ending, we will type regedit into the Windows search bar. Then right-click and select Run as Administrator. Then click here on the HKey Users folder. Then we click on the folder that ends with the word classes. Now we scroll down. Now we click on this folder that begins with the letters WOW. Then we click on this folder. We will now look for this key that begins with 07 and ends with CA7. I will now delete this key. After removing this key, you will find that the program is working again and the trial period has been renewed for another 30 days. If this method works for you, please leave a comment confirming its success. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to create more helpful tutorials.